Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have Nine of Pentacles and the Star. Aquarius, this is your current energy. What's happening, Aquarius? Are you not feeling good, or are you not feeling happy? You have everything in life, Aquarius. You are independent, you are self-sufficient, you are somebody who is a self-made person, but still something is there in your heart which is bothering you and which keeps bothering you every now and then. What is it? Are you missing something, or are you missing someone, or are you missing some kind of connection? Are you missing your person? Are you somebody who has gone through a recent breakup? Something is there which is bothering you, even though you are independent, even though you are self-sufficient, but something is there which is bothering you. All right. On the other hand, we have the Star. Aquarius, this is your partner's card. Okay, it seems like your person has been through something now. Now they are taking their own time to revive, their own time to refresh their heart and mind and soul. And yeah, they are into some healing journey. They must be taking some healing guidance, they must be taking some meditation, they must be doing some manifestation and meditation. So they are healing themselves as of now. Okay, they know something, they know, they know what is there for them in life, and it could be you as well. The Star shows that they know where they have to move ahead, but to step up into life, or to move away, or to to grow in life, they have to leave their old patterns, and that's what they are doing. If they are not connecting with you, if they are not talking with you, if they are not contacting with you, it means that it's not that they are ignoring you. It means that they are working on their healing. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy between you and them? Okay, I'll take this card. So we have the experiencing card. It seems like the card belongs to both of you. All right, this card is asking you to wait. This card is asking you to relive all the best moments whatever you have lived with this person, or collect all your past life experience, or past experiences, past event experiences. All right. On the other hand, your person is going through transformation, so this message is for them as well. If you have been through something in life, if you have broken all your old patterns, you are advised not to go back to such events ever again in your life. Are you getting my point? Okay, so this message is for both of you. Divine wants you to experience something. Now I'm going to pull 3 cards for you to see what your person thinks about you, what action they are taking towards you, and what action they'll be taking towards you in future. The Fool. Creativity, guidance. Okay, now your person sees you as somebody, Aquarius, with this Fool card, that you are somebody who is very innocent. Apart from that, you are somebody who has a deep faith and strong belief in divine and divine plan. All right, you are somebody who do not listen to other person, what other person saying. Okay, you are somebody who has risen up beyond the negativity. Your heart is pure, your mind is completely fresh, you want to start something new. Okay, even though your person must be knowing you from a very long time, but whenever they see you as somebody who is a very childish person, who is very immature, who is very cute basically. Okay, and they basically adore your this quality. Creativity. It seems like Aquarius, your person, the moment they are healing all their grudges and negative emotions are washing out from their system or belief system, a new way of thinking is developing within their heart and mind. Okay, and they are being very, very creative. So you need to be rest assured that the moment they'll be coming towards you, they are going to create something, beyond your expectations. Okay, you have never imagined that kind of a approach in your life ever, the way they are going to approach you. All right, and the guidance card says that your person is, I told you that this person is into some meditation and medication, or sorry, manifestation. It seems like the moment they'll be healed, their manifestation is going to take place. They'll be more connected towards spirituality. They'll be more connected towards you, because they'll know that you are the one for them. And it seems like they won't let you go anywhere at any cost, and they'll be taking action towards you. All right, see, this relationship is something which is driven by angels. Can you see this angel and this person? This is your person. This is your person. He, in future, they'll be thinking about you, and they'll be thinking about how to approach you, but they need not to worry at all, because angels are working for them. All right, okay. Okay, so Aquarius, it seems like you are dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and yeah, fire sign. Okay, and some of you could be dealing with another Aquarius also with the star card. All right. Okay, so Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please, please, please don't forget to hit the bell notification button so that you can get notifications of all my videos. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.